We've got private lake frontage here. We've got a 5-acre parcel. We've got 33 acres. You can buy them together. You can buy them separate. They've got both beautiful homes on them. We're in Howard City, only 30 minutes from Grand Rapids, but all I see is privacy, convenience, and seclusion. Let's check this thing out.